In a world where size often limits power, one speaker dares to rewrite the rules. Meet the Devialet Phantom Ultimate, a compact masterpiece that delivers monumental sound. Devialet's iconic Phantom has always been a symbol of innovation, but the new Phantom Ultimate pushes performance further than ever before, reaching an extraordinary 108 decibels of sound pressure and bass frequencies that drop to a staggering 14 Hz. Not just heard, but felt. At its core is Heart Bass Implosion, Devialet's proprietary technology that turns compact drivers into a sub-bass powerhouse. Add to that an advanced amplifier capable of extending highs up to 35 kHz, and you get sound that's as pure in detail as it is powerful in scale. Powered by the NXP IMX8 processor and Devialet's DOS3 operating system, the Phantom Ultimate isn't just powerful, it's smart. With Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and seamless support for AirPlay, Google Cast, Roon, Spotify Connect, Tidal Connect, and UPnP, streaming has never been this effortless. Pair two Phantom Ultimates wirelessly for breathtaking stereo sound, or expand into a multi-room setup for a fully connected home. Fine-tune every detail with a 6-band equalizer and let your music adapt perfectly to your space. Available in a range of refined finishes, from minimalist whites and greens to the opulence of gold, the Phantom Ultimate is more than a speaker. It's a statement piece that blends sculpture and sound into one. Starting at $1,900 for the Phantom Ultimate 98 dB and $3,800 for the Powerhouse 108 dB model, this is high fidelity redefined. Accessories like remotes, wall mounts, and stands let you tailor your experience further. Available now at Devialet's official store. Devialet Phantom Ultimate. Compact in form, colossal in sound.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.